Hi everyone. Today's activity for your August camp box is going to be soap-powered boats. In your August packet, you're going to have a sheet that looks just like this for your directions that you can follow along with as well as on the video. In your packet, you should also have a couple different objects.
You're going to have your foam boat cut out with a Q-tip.
You will also have a bag of dish soap. This will be what powers your boat after we get to it. The first step is going to be to take your piece of foam and you're going to take scissors and you're going to cut out your boat through the outline. Make sure not to cut your cotton swab, and if you need to, you can take it and pull it right out. If this is your first activity, hopefully you're really excited to try it. And if it's not the first activity that you're trying in your camp box, I hope you're really enjoying your activities that you've done so far. All right. It's important that you really cut this slit on the bottom too, because that's where your soap's gonna go. And your boat should kind of look like these. If it's not exact and you kind of cut outside the lines, that's all right. All right, so now we're gonna take our Q-tips and we are going to dip them into the liquid soap and then put it in the little notch. It's gonna be a little messy, but that's okay, so just make your hands extra clean. So you're gonna take your Q-tip and you're gonna take your little notch here and you're just gonna kind of line it because this is what's gonna power your boat. All right, now we are going to take our boats and we are going to set them at the same time because we're going to try to race them in this container here. If you have any kind of container, you're just going to fill it with a little bit of water. You could use a cookie sheet like it says, any kind of tray, or even just a bowl that you have. All right, so now we're going to take our boats. We're going to put it right onto the surface of the water. I'm going to tip the camera a little bit and hopefully it's going to scoot across for us and we'll see who's wins. All right, ready? One.
Yours
All
won.
right. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you would like to do it again,
You can use these scraps to make smaller boats and race as much as you want.
all right.